When it comes to cooking, having the right tools can make all the difference. And this Rorence 6-quart stainless steel stockpot delivers a remarkable blend of quality, performance, and style that's sure to enhance your culinary experience. This versatile stockpot isn't just a kitchen staple. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to cook at home, whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner. Let's dive deeper into the features that make this stockpot stand out in a crowded market of cookware options. Why the Rorence 6-quart stockpot is a must-have? Durable and long-lasting construction, made to withstand years of use without rusting or losing its shine. Versatile design, suitable for soups, stews, pasta, rice, and more. Induction ready, works perfectly with induction gas and electric stovetops. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe for quick and effortless cleanup. Sleek and stylish, a beautiful addition to any kitchen. One of the first things you'll notice about the Rorence 6-quart stockpot is its sleek, polished exterior. Crafted from premium food-grade stainless steel, this pot is designed for both aesthetics and function. The stainless steel surface not only looks great, but also ensures the pot is resistant to rust, corrosion, and staining, making it ideal for long-term use. The high-quality stainless steel also plays a vital role in preserving the flavor of your food. Unlike cheaper materials, it doesn't react with acidic foods like tomatoes or vinegar, so your ingredients will taste just the way they're meant to. Whether you're simmering a rich, flavorful broth or boiling pasta, this stockpot ensures an optimal cooking experience every time. The tri-ply construction of this stockpot is a major selling point. It consists of 3 layers, an aluminum core sandwiched between 2 layers of stainless steel. The aluminum core is an excellent heat conductor, providing fast and even heat distribution across the entire surface of the pot. This eliminates the risk of hot spots and ensures your food cooks uniformly, which is especially important when making dishes like soups, stews, or risotto. If you enjoy preparing large meals or cooking in bulk, the 6-quart capacity of this stockpot is a huge plus. It's large enough to prepare everything from hearty stews and soups to pasta and vegetables. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or feeding a group, this size is versatile enough to meet your needs without being too bulky to store. Cooking for a family or a dinner party becomes hassle-free as the generous size allows you to make substantial portions without needing to split your ingredients across multiple pots. The Rorence 6-quart stockpot is designed to be compatible with induction cooking, a feature that can be hard to find in many traditional stockpots. Whether you use an induction cooktop or a traditional gas or electric stove, this pot will perform admirably. Its magnetic base ensures it heats efficiently on induction surfaces, while its durable build makes it versatile enough for other stovetops as well. This stockpot is also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for dishes that require finishing in the oven after stovetop cooking. Whether you're roasting vegetables or making a braise, this pot can handle the heat. One of the standout features of the Rorence 6-quart stockpot is its clear tempered glass lid. This lid allows you to easily monitor the progress of your food without lifting it, which can often lead to heat loss and longer cooking times. The transparent design provides a clear view of your dish, while locking in moisture and heat, so your food cooks faster and more evenly. The lid also features a vent to release steam, preventing any potential buildup of pressure. This thoughtful addition adds to the convenience and ensures safety when cooking. No one likes the hassle of scrubbing stubborn food remnants from pots and pans after cooking. Fortunately, the Rorence 6-quart stockpot is dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is a breeze. After you're done cooking, simply place it in the dishwasher for a quick and thorough cleaning. Plus, the high-quality stainless steel surface resists staining and discoloration, so it will look brand new for years to come. Whether you're an everyday cook or someone who likes to entertain, the Rorence 6-quart stainless steel stockpot is an investment that will elevate your cooking experience. With its high-quality materials, efficient cooking capabilities, and stylish design, it checks all the boxes for an essential kitchen tool. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.